Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best air fryers of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which air fryer is the best overall choice for your kitchen and your money. Whether you want faster cooking, healthier meals, larger capacity, or more cooking functions, this video is carefully researched to help you make the right decision without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Nuwave Brio Plus. The Nuwave Brio Plus air fryer features an 8-quart capacity, PFAS-free construction, and 7 digital one-touch cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and preheat. It offers 150 built-in presets with a wide temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it extremely versatile for everyday cooking. Review highlights. This air fryer delivers consistent results with easy controls and preset options. It's a great choice for families who want healthier meals with minimal effort. Pros: large 8-quart capacity, PFAS-free cooking surface, 150 presets for easy cooking, wide temperature range. Number 4. Cosori TurboBlaze. The Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer offers 9 cooking functions with precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a premium ceramic coating for even heat distribution and easy cleaning. Designed for speed and precision, it's ideal for users who want consistent, high-quality results. Review highlights. Excellent temperature accuracy and fast heating make this air fryer perfect for daily meals. The ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking and easy maintenance. Pros: 9-in-1 cooking functions, ceramic non-stick coating, wide temperature range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, even and precise heating. Number 3. Ninja Foodi DualZone. The Ninja Foodi DualZone air fryer features 2 independent cooking baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at the same time. With Match Cook and Smart Finish technology, meals are ready together without timing issues. It offers 6 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, and reheat. Review highlights. Perfect for busy households, this air fryer saves time and increases flexibility. Dual baskets make multitasking effortless and efficient. Pros: dual independent cooking baskets, Smart Finish and Match Cook features, large 8-quart total capacity, ideal for families and meal prep. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL delivers powerful performance with 7-in-1 cooking functions including max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. Its 6.5-quart capacity fits up to 9 pounds of wings, and the compact design saves valuable counter space. Review highlights. Fast, crispy results with minimal oil. This air fryer is reliable, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday cooking needs. Pros: powerful max crisp technology, large 6.5-quart capacity, dishwasher-safe parts, space-saving design. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium 26-quart air fryer oven with 24 cooking functions and digital controls. It includes 7 accessories and a stainless steel finish, making it suitable for everything from air frying and baking to roasting and toasting. Review highlights. This air fryer stands out for its massive capacity, versatility, and oven-style design. It can replace multiple kitchen appliances while delivering excellent cooking performance. Pros: huge 26-quart capacity, 24 cooking functions, French door design for easy access, all-in-one kitchen solution. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing cooking performance, capacity, versatility, ease of use, and long-term value, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the best overall air fryer of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.